everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's a pretty cool day. We're gonna work on my friend dog's TT Chester. I'll put a link to his Instagram here. We're gonna install his coilovers today and hopefully do a detailed video on how to make that happen. That would be pretty interesting. But further than that, a number of TTs will show up. That will be very cool, including my next door neighbor Rodney with his red TT, David with his red TT that he's been working on, and possibly my friend Cruz in his black TT. So there's a possibility that there will be 5 TTs today. That's gonna be pretty cool. So we're gonna do some of the mechanical work and then we're gonna go out for a ride and possibly take some shots. So I'm sure there's a couple of videos that will come out of what will happen today. Stay tuned, this will be pretty cool, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, we're here. Look, you can see Chester. We're gonna start working on it very soon. And there's Patty and Rodney's TT. And we're waiting for Cruz to show up. And then Dave will show up. So let's see. Alright. Here's Darth, Cruz's black TT. So that makes 4 today. Pretty interesting. Hey. All right, guys. We're here with Rodney, Cruz, and Doug. We're gonna work on his TT Chester back there. Doug, what are we doing today?
We're doing some Raceland coilovers today. So we've got the first corner jacked up, taking it apart, and hopefully these 3 go smooth until we get to the front right, which is a little bit more challenging. So we'll see how it goes.
Great. We're gonna describe step by step, and then we're gonna do some test drive, right?
We are.
Yeah, and hopefully then describe what that feels like. So stay tuned. Great.
Oh, it looks so beautiful.
Right.
I've never felt that.
All right.
So we're just gonna
So we're removing the bolts under the what's that piece called? What is
Just
that?
loosening the trailing arm.
The trailing arm. Yeah. All right, guys, we got another TT. We got Dave here. Hey, Dave. Let's look at his engine work here.
I ordered a Forge TT.
There you go.
I don't know if it's that exact one.
Yeah,
Honestly, don't know.
it's one of the best upgrades I made. You know, the old one, the wear out, it just wasn't holding pressure, but this one has been great. I mean, for a 225,
All right, guys, we're doing the second one now. Let's see how that goes. The first one was not particularly easy, but Doug, I think we got the gist of it now, right?
Yeah, I think we're
Wow, look at the condition, man. This was completely shot. Wow. Yeah, this was a This is a safety issue rather than. Wow. There you go.
Oh, okay, that's the difference. And the money it would have cost the turbo.
Oh, dog, I got it on video, man.
There you go.
Sweet.
Let me get the shot.
All right, the rear right is done. Look at it. Looks way better than it was before. Fully adjusted. Now we're going into the front wheels. So one wheel is out, and yeah, it's gonna look great. All right, remove the other wheel. So we're ready to do the front ones. Yeah.
We're all trying to pitch in as best we can.
I'm the supervisor manager.
Hey Doug, what are we doing now?
So we're just got the front strut out on the driver's side. We're just assembling the front coil over here, and then we are going to put it in.
All right.
And that way we can put the car on the. No, just lift up the coil.
You don't want me to put it in?
We're putting the wheels back on. Hey Rodney.
At least one.
At least one. Yep. We're almost there. We just need to do the other front, and that's gonna be more complicated than the last one. Yep.
It's not going vertically at all. It's not that iteration. There.
I'm just fucking with you.
Dude, I'm totally kidding.
It's not about what we can see.
Thank you.
It's
I know.
whether we can video.
I was like, what are you doing with that? Bring it back a little. Bring it back a little.
aware.
So there's a lot of fluid in the
When you
bottom.
jump fast, you
Okay.
don't want stuff on you.
Alright, so
Right, so the last one is in. You can see. Took forever. We had to cut the existing one to get this one in, and soon we're gonna get the car on the ground and see how it looks. Finally.
Perfect ride.
All right.
Actually doesn't. If it sells in about how far down the road do you
There it is. Chester looking well. That's nice. Sweet. It only took 8 hours for it to happen. We made it happen. Sweet. Okay, here we are with Doug. It only took 8 hours, right?
something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, and a lot of help.
And a sawzall.
Yeah, thank you guys. It was an amazing job. You will see from the video that it was pretty complicated, but we made it happen. It looks great and it rides good, right?
So far, so good.
So we'll be reporting on the ride and so on. So see you guys soon. Take care.